Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a line design turkey project. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head of the turkey. So what I want to do is I want to start here and I want to make kind of like a circle shape, but I'm not going to draw the bottom. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a circle shape like this. And I just leave the bottom open. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes in and then a line that goes in right here for the neck of the turkey. Next, I want to make a face. I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a circle shape for an eye, and then I'm going to draw another circle shape for an eye over here. Now, you can make these however you want. You can add like pupils in there, whatever. I'm going to just add like two little circles here and then just color in the rest of the eye. So it looks like there's a little reflection in there. You can do it however you want to. Now, starting here, I'm going to make like a little diamond shape. So I'm going to make a line that goes up and down, and then one that goes down and up here. Then I'm also going to put another little line that goes down and then up for the beak. Starting at the top here, I'm going to make that little gobble that kind of hangs down the beak. So I'm going to start here. It's going to go right next to the eye. I'm going to make a line that curves around, and then it's going to come back up here. Next, I want to make the body of the turkey. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curl around, and then it's going to come right back up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and I'm going to add just a couple little zigzag lines that come back. I'll do the same thing here, a little diagonal line, and then we'll make a few little zigzag lines that come back to the body. Starting here, I'm going to draw two lines going down, and then two lines over here for the legs of our turkey. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out and in, and another one right here, out, and then back up to here. We'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to go out and just kind of hook around for one of the toes. Then a little line that goes down, and it's going to come back around to here. Now, I want to make some feathers coming off of here for the tail. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to make a diagonal line that goes out here, and then a diagonal line that goes out here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that just curves down back to the body, and I'll do the same thing on this side. It's just going to curve down. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'll have to go under the wings on this one. And then same thing here. I'll have to go under the wings. I'm going to make another little line that comes out at a diagonal on each side. I want them to kind of be even. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to bring it down here. I want it to touch this feather. So I'll do the same thing here, bring it down. Then I'll do the top as well. Bring them down. I'm going to put two more up here, so it's going to look like my turkey has turned into an alien for a minute. I'll go a little higher, and then I'll bring this one down here. And I'll bring this one to right there. Same thing here, curve it down. And then I'll bring it to right about there. Now, in between all these feathers, I want to add some more, just so we have a lot of feathers in here. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up at a point and then comes down. Up at a point, comes down. I'll do one up here too, up at a point and then comes down. If it's easier, you could always go and draw a line straight out and then bring it down. It's totally up to you, whatever is easiest. And since I have those lines here, I'm just going to draw lines on this one too. So here is my basic drawing of my turkey, but we want to make a line design turkey. So that means we want to have lots of details in here. So inside of here, I want you guys to add different types of lines for me. Now there are all sorts of different lines out there. You can do all sorts of patterns. You could do things like little diagonal lines all along here for a pattern. You could do wavy lines that go across. You could do things like zigzag lines that go all the way along here. There's just all sorts of different things you can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up my feathers with lots of different line designs. So I'd like you to do the same thing, just put lots of different designs in each one of your feathers. Now, once you are all done drawing your turkey and you have all your lines on here with your feathers, now it's time to color this. Now you can color this with whatever you want to. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils. If you have paint, you can use that. You can mix them up, you can do whatever you want. Now I'm going to color this using lots of different colors. So I'm going to try to use at least 2 colors on each one of my feathers just to really make it pop and stand out. But you guys can color this however you want to.